Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. We have a power receiving reservoir that we need to replace. The old one is here. The reason why it's leaking from this area. So now you have to slide it from this area here and then move this clips back and then we take it out. So when you take it out, maybe you have to just hang it up, like, yes, it doesn't go up. Okay, now you wanna pour that one here. Pour it. Because this one is closed already. And instead of pouring it, why not give me this one like this? Plug that one first. Plug that one.
Okay.
No, this one you never go nothing happen. Now put that one. Plug it in and then like we're gonna pour it in there.
Just in case.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yes, now we are free. Okay, now that one. You need to push it a little bit in. It doesn't go in because that one holding it. Yeah, go back a little bit to allow this one go in, right? Yes. Now. Okay. Now we're gonna put it back.
Slide it in this
Yeah, push it in, right?
You should have locks it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Put it out. It's gone. It's good now, right? Okay. Now we're gonna disconnect this one here. Yeah, goes this way. Yes. That we take it from the old one. Now, no leak. Okay. Some music. Hopefully, I don't get a copyright strike. They pass here by us. So you need this plier. This nose plier, bending nose plier is very important. Yeah, okay. Now we're gonna move this. I'm gonna move one. Let's see. Yeah. You see like it have air or something, right? Meow. Maybe you're gonna add more. This is crack and leak from here. I'm gonna put a link where you get your Nissan part, but this one here I ordered it from Amazon. It comes the next day. It's good. When I call AutoZone, they say they don't have it. You wanna start it, or you gonna? Yeah, okay.